Hey there, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix no sound on your iPhone. Now, whether you're making calls or listening to music or watching a video and you can't hear anything, I'm going to walk you through everything that you need to do that will definitely get it fixed. There are a number of different reasons why you might not have sound, and we're going to walk through all of them to definitely get that sound fixed. The first thing that we're going to do is make sure that you tap the volume up button. So you can see volume down and volume up. Tap volume up until you get to the highest level. You can see a little volume slider goes all the way to the top. The next thing we're going to do is check the silent mode button or the action button at the top right above the volume up button. If I press and hold, you can see it switches to silent. And if I press and hold again, it switches to ring. So you want to make sure it is switched to ring mode. If you have an older iPhone, instead of a button to press, it will be a little toggle, and you will toggle it towards yourself, towards the front of the screen. This will disable silent mode. The next thing we're going to do is tap on settings, scroll down, tap on sounds and haptics. From here, you can see again silent mode. If this is turned off, make sure to turn that off. And next, go to ringtones and alerts and turn this all the way up. You'll be able to see it starts to play pretty loud. The next thing we're going to do is scroll down. If you can't hear certain things like ringtones or text message alerts, tap on those. For instance, ringtones. And if you have this set to instead of reflection, something else that's super quiet, then make sure to switch it to something that will be loud enough for you to hear. Now let's walk through some other potential reasons as well. Let's exit out of here. Take your finger, swipe down from the top right. You can see the volume slider here. Again, make sure that volume slider is all the way up. Next to where it says not playing, tap on the little sound icon at the top right of it. You can see it says iPhone speaker. If this is selected to other third-party speakers or headphones, make sure to tap on iPhone speaker to play out of your iPhone. The next thing we're going to do is tap on focus mode here. You can see I have a YouTube focus mode turned on, but if you have do not disturb or a different focus mode, just essentially turn that off to make sure the volume works. The next thing we're going to do is open up the app that it's not working. So you can see in some instances the volume doesn't work in certain apps because at the bottom right of my brother's video here, you can see is a little speaker with a line through it. If I tap on it, you can see the volume turns on. If I tap on it again, it turns it off. So essentially check within that app to see if there's a mute or unmute button and try to tap that. If those don't work for you, the next thing we're going to do is tap on the settings app, tap on back at the top left, tap on back again at the top left, scroll to the top, tap on Bluetooth next. And if Bluetooth is turned on and it says it's connected to a device, whether it's connected to your car, to speakers, to headphones, it might be playing out of that device instead. So I would recommend turning off Bluetooth and seeing if that fixes it. If it doesn't fix it, the next thing we're going to do, tap on the back arrow at the top left, scroll down from here, tap on General, scroll down to the bottom, tap on transfer or reset iPhone next. And then tap on reset at the top. And tap on reset network settings. A lot of times network settings cause issues with your connectivity and you're basically playing that music or video or whatever and the sound working. Enter in your passcode and go through that process. If it's still not working, let's do a force restart on your phone. I'll show you how that works. Press quickly the volume up, press quickly the volume down, and then press and hold the side button until you see an Apple logo appear. So I'll show you how that works. Volume up, volume down, and press and hold that side button. You can see it says slide to power off, but I'm just going to keep holding until I see the Apple logo appear. So the entire screen will go black, just like that. And then after a couple of seconds, the Apple logo appears. I'm going to lift my finger off, and then I've done a force restart. At that point, your sound on your iPhone should definitely be working. I hope this helps you. If you enjoyed this video, check out the video over to my right. I think you'll really like that one as well. Thanks, guys.